Hello everybody, I thought we'd try a cowboy song today. This one was by Eddie Arnold. Ooh, dee ooh, ooh, dee dee ooh, ooh, dee yo-lo-oh-lo-dee. The cattle are prowling, the coyotes are howling, way out where the doggies bawl. Where spurs are jingling, a cowboy is singing this lonesome cattle call. Ooh, ooh, dee, ooh, ooh, dee 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 dee, ooh, ooh, dee dee, yo-lo-oh-lo dee dee. He rides in the sun till his day's work is done, and he rounds up the cattle each fall. Ooh, dee dee, singing his cattle call. For hours he would ride on the range far and wide, when the night winds blow up a squall. His heart is a feather in all kinds of weather. He sings his cattle call. Ooh, dee dee, ooh, ooh, dee 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 dee, ooh, ooh, dee dee, yo-lo-oh-lo dee dee. He's brown as a berry from riding the prairie, and he sings with an old western drawl. Ooh, ooh, dee dee, singing his cattle call. Ooh, ooh, dee dee, ooh, ooh, dee 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 dee, ooh, dee dee, yo-lo-oh-lo dee. Thanks for watching, everybody.